Ìbílẹ̀ Yorùbá TV láti iléeṣẹ́ wa Ìbílẹ̀ Yorùbá TV náà ni mo ti kí ń káàbọ̀. A kú dédé àsìkò yìí, àsìkò bí ojú ọjọ́ ṣe rí. Báwo ni òtútù ṣe rí lọ́dọ̀ tí níbẹ̀ yẹn? Ṣé kò pọ̀ jù? Ọlọ́run bá mi Olódùmarè á jẹ́ kí ó bá ara mu lágbára Ọlọ́run bá mi. Lágbára Ọlọ́run bá mi kò ní gbòdì lára wa. Àti dédé gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìṣe àti àṣà wa láti máa mú fọ́nrán fídíò wa fún ìgbádùn yín ní ọlọ́kan-ò-jọ̀kan. Fọ́nrán fídíò tí a mú wá fún ìgbádùn yín lónìí, òun náà ni ẹ̀sùn ìfipá bá ara ẹni lò pọ̀. Or kí n sọ wípé ẹ̀sùn ìfipá bá ọmọ kékeré lò pọ̀, èyí tí àwọn olóyìnbó tí wọ́n pè ní pedophile. Ọ̀dọ́mọdébìnrin tí orúkọ rẹ̀ ń jẹ́ mi ò ní ojú ẹkún, Ọlọ́run bá mi ò ní jẹ́ kí ẹnì kankan wá ní ojú ẹkún lágbára Ọlọ́run bá Èdùmàrè. Mi ò lójú ẹkún Barakat Mayowa, òun ni ó fi ẹ̀sùn ìfipá bá ara ẹni lò pọ̀ kan Komisona for Environment ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ogun State yẹn, Honorable Balogun Abdul. Barakat ṣàlàyé bí òun àti Honorable Abdul bí wọ́n ṣe pàdé nígbà tí òun fẹ́ lọ rẹ́gísítà SIM card ẹ̀, èyí tí ìjọba àpapọ̀ ní ilẹ̀ Nàìjíríà sọ pé kí àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà kí wọ́n máa ṣe ìyẹn NIN registration. Níbi tí òun àti ọ̀rẹ́ tí wọ́n ti jọ ń tàkùrọ̀sọ, ibẹ̀ ni Honorable Abdul tí ó ti fi ojú gán rẹ̀ tó sì rán ọ̀kan lára àwọn ọmọọṣẹ́ wọn wípé kí wọ́n lọ pe Baraka wá. Ibẹ̀ ni àwọn àti Baraka tí wọ́n ti jọ ń fi ọ̀rọ̀ jomitoro ọ̀rọ̀ láàrin ara wọn. Nígbà tí ó ṣàyà ni Honorable béèrè fún nọ́mbà Baraka wá ní pé tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ nọ́mbà wọn pé kí wọ́n lọ bá ọ̀gbẹ́ni Lasisi. Àwọn bá ní àwọn ọmọ ẹni tí ó ń jẹ́ ọ̀gbẹ́ni Lasisi. Wọ́n ṣáà ní pé òkè kí Ṣeun kí ó lọ gba nọ́mbà wa ní ọwọ́ ọ̀gbẹ́ni Lasisi. Níbẹ̀ ni wọ́n tún ti pe ọ̀rẹ́ Baraka tí wọ́n jọ ń fi ọ̀rọ̀ jomitoro ọ̀rọ̀ wípé ṣé ó lè bá wọn rí nọ́mbà Baraka. Kí má bá òkú lọ sí ilé lóró, ọ̀gbẹ́ni Honorable wọn padà gba nọ́mbà Baraka débi pé wọ́n pe Baraka tí wọ́n sì rán ọ̀kan lára àwọn ọmọọṣẹ́ wọn wípé kí wọ́n lọ bá a ní ilé. Nígbà tí ìyẹn dé ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn ìyá àgbà ni ó sọ wípé òun fẹ́ jẹ́ kí Baraka mọ̀ nípa bí a ṣe ń tẹ kọ̀ǹpútà. Baraka dáhùn pé òun mọ̀ nípa bí a ṣe ń lo kọ̀ǹpútà dáadáa. Wọ́n wá ní òkè níwọ̀n ìgbà tí ó ti mọ̀ nípa bí a ṣe ń lo kọ̀ǹpútà wípé kí ó tara ṣáṣá kí ó lọ wọ aṣọ ẹ̀ kí àwọn jọ dé ibì kan wípé àwọn máa mú lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ ẹnìkan. Ibi tí wọ́n ṣáà ti ń gbé lọ, kàkà kí wọ́n gbé lọ sí ibi tí wọ́n jọ ṣe àdéhùn, ilé Honorable ni wọ́n gbé mi ò lójú ẹkún Baraka lọ. Wọ́n ṣáà ní kó jókòó sínú mọ́tò. Ibẹ̀ ni arákùnrin náà tó ti wọlé lọ. Kò pẹ́ púpọ̀ náà ni obìnrin kan wá láti wá mú Baraka lọ sí inú yàrá kan tí ó jẹ́ ọ̀kan lára àwọn yàrá Honorable Balogun Abdul. Kò pẹ́ kó jìnnà náà ni Honorable wọlé wá bá Baraka. Níbẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tàkùrọ̀sọ láàrin ara wọn débi pé wọ́n ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa iléèwé àti pé èló gan ni ó fẹ́ kí àwọn fi ràn lọ́wọ́ fún ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀. Níbi ká má sọ̀rọ̀ jù, Honorable bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní fi ọwọ́ gbá Baraka ní ọmú débi pé wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tẹ̀ ní ọmú. Ibẹ̀ ni Baraka ti fi ariwo ta wípé kí ni nǹkan tí ẹ ṣe yìí, gbogbo eléyìí ò bójúmu. Àmọ́ dípò kí Honorable kí wọ́n dáwọ́ dúró, Honorable máa dáwọ́ dúró, ṣe ni wọ́n tún bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tẹ ọmọdébìnrin ní ọmú. Níbẹ̀ ni Baraka ti fi ariwo ta wípé ẹ gbà mí o. Kí Honorable máa jẹ́ kí Honorable fẹ́ kí ariwo bọ́ síta ni ó ṣe ní òkè níwọ̀n ìgbà tí o ti cooperate pẹ̀lú àwọn gba 2000 naira yìí kí o máa lọ. Ọmọdébìnrin náà kọjá rẹ̀ pé òun fẹ́ gbà àti pé kó tó di pé wọ́n fún ní owó, ó ní Honorable náà wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pègèdè tí wọ́n pa ọ̀fọ̀ láti lè fi yọwọ́ kan òun lórí. Ta ló mọ nǹkan tí Honorable fẹ́ gbà nídìí nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe yìí. Ọmọdébìnrin yìí ṣáà ké gbàjarè sí ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà wípé kí ẹ jọ̀wọ́ kí ẹ gbà òun, kí ẹ má jẹ́ kí ìyà yìí kí ó jẹ òun gbé, pé kí wọ́n bá wọn dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó wà ní ilẹ̀ yìí. Àmọ́ níbi ọjọ́ méjì kan sẹ́yìn náà ni àwọn ìpínlẹ̀ ní Ogun State, pàápàá jùlọ Honorable tí wọ́n ti sọ wípé gbogbo nǹkan tí Baraka Mayowa tí ó sọ wípé irọ́ pátápátá ni tí ó jìnnà sí òótọ́. Àmọ́ mo mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà ọlọ́pọlọ pípé ní ẹjọ́ ẹ bá wa dá sí kí nìkan tí ẹ rò pé mi ò ní ojú ẹkún Baraka tí ó lè ṣe sí ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó wà ní ilẹ̀ yìí. Tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ tí ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ iléeṣẹ́ wa Ìbílẹ̀ Yorùbá TV, abẹ́yìn àrọ̀ yín pé kí ẹ jọ̀wọ́ kẹ́ bá wa subscribe sí channel wa ìyẹn Ìbílẹ̀ Yorùbá TV. Tí ẹ bá wa subscribe tán, ẹ wá bá wa click lórí bell notification icon. Eléyìí máa jẹ́ kí ẹ mọ ìgbà àti àsìkò tí àgbé fọ́nrán fídíò jáde. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n máa fi èyí ṣe lọ. Ó tún di ọjọ́ mi, ọjọ́ rẹ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run bá mi. Nǹkan ò ní ṣe mí, nǹkan ò ní ṣe ẹ̀yin náà. Mo dúpẹ́ púpọ̀ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá wa subscribe sí channel wa, tí ẹ sì ń bá wa wo àwọn fọ́nrán fídíò wa ní ọlọ́kan-ò-jọ̀kan. Torí pé tí yóò bá sí ẹ̀yin, kò sí nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ Ìbílẹ̀ Yorùbá TV channel. Ó dìgbà kan náà, ayọ̀ la ó tún fi pàdé. Mo dúpẹ́ púpọ̀, ó dàbọ̀.
Well, young lady, can you please tell me your name?
My name is Barakat Mayowa.
Meloju Ekun what?
Barakat Mayowa.
Where are you from?
I'm from Waterside.
Ogun Waterside Local Government.
Waterside Local Government, yes.
Please, how old are you?
I am 16 years.
16 years. What class are you?
I am in SS3.
Can you please tell me the name of your school, the school you attend?
The name of my school is Victory Model College, Ibiade, Ogun Waterside, Ogun State.
I heard about a case involving you and the current Commissioner for Environment, Honorable Balogun Abdul. Can you please tell me, can you just narrate a little about what transpired between you and the Honorable?
What transpired between I and the Honorable is that on the 29th of December 2020, which is Tuesday, I was on my way to the NIN office to do my NIN. So I came across this man named Honorable Abiodun Abudu-Balogun, which is the current Commissioner for Environment at Ibiade motorcycle park. So he called me. I was discussing with my friend. He called me that he knows me somewhere, and I told him that I didn't know you. He said, okay, maybe I resemble the person. That where am I living? I told him that I'm living at Ogun. Now I said, okay, I can take my leave. I left there. So when I wanted to leave the scene, he now sent this guy named Sheun at the park to come and collect my phone number. And I told the guy that he should tell the honorable that he should go and collect that my phone number from Mr. Lasisi Saheed, aka Mayowa. That the guy now said, okay, he's sorry that he may not know that the man is my father, that is the man my father. And I said, no, the man is not my father, but he's another brother to my father. And I said, okay. They now started disturbing that my friend that we were discussing together to give them my phone number. The guy now
who was the person disturbing your friend?
Mr. Austin, a teacher at Ilushin Grammar School presently. So the man was disturbing that my friend to release my number. So the guy now released my number to them. The Mr. Austin now called me that where am I? I told him that I'm at the NIN office, that I want to register my NIN. Now said, okay, I should come back. And I told him that I can't leave what I'm doing right now to come and meet him. And I said, when I'm through, I should come and meet him at Ibiade Park. And I said, okay, sir. So when
Sorry. Who are you? Who did you suspect was sending Austin to collect your number to speak with you?
Abiodun Abudu-Balogun.
All right.
So when I was through with the NIN, I went home straight. So the Mr. Austin now called me that night again, that why didn't I come and meet him at the park? And I said I was in a hurry to go home, that I have something to do at home. That's why I didn't come and meet you. And I said, okay. So on the 31st of December 2020, which is on Thursday again, Mr. Lasisi Mayor now went to go and meet my grandparents, that he wanted to take me, that someone need a computer operator, that the man said I knows how to operate computer. So he now came to meet me and asked me that did I know how to operate computer, and I told him yes, that I know how to operate computer. Now said, okay, that I should go and change my clothes, that we are going to meet someone that needs a computer operator. And I said, okay. Now said, so we now went together to that action's house. On getting to the Honorable Abiodun Abudu house at Itaotu, he said I should sit down inside the car, that I must not get down. And a lady now came to pick me, whose by name is Mariam Eniola Oyenuga, from Itaotu. So the guy now took me inside one living room. So Mr. Austin now came inside and started the conversation with me, that why didn't I pick his call yesterday? And I told him that I was not with my phone. And I said, okay. He now took me to a room.
Inside whose house?
Inside Honorable Abiodun Abudu-Balogun's
house.
So the Honorable Abiodun Abudu-Balogun now came inside, and Mr. Austin went outside immediately. So immediately Mr. Austin went out, the Honorable Abiodun Abudu-Balogun locked the door instantly and put the key inside his pocket. So he now moved closer to me and asked for the name of my school. I told him that I'm from Victory Model College. He said, how much is my school fees? I told him that it's 30,000 naira. He asked the person that is paying my school fees. I told him that it's my dad. He now said, okay, that one is small too. So he now said, didn't I think of starting a business before going to school? And I said no, that I want to go to an higher institution. And I said, okay, that if I will need money now, how much should I need? And I said any amount. He said I should state an amount. I said any amount. He now moved closer to me and pressed my breast. And now move away his hand.
You mean Honorable Balogun, the current commissioner for environment, moved and touched your breast?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
He touched my breast, so I moved away his hand that he shouldn't touch my breast. He now asked me that won't I cooperate? I said, why will I cooperate? So he now started pressing my breast, pressing my body, and harassing me, something like that.
And what were you doing that time?
I was struggling to free myself from him, to gain freedom. So he now started reciting some incantations. I wanted to place his hand on my head. I now moved away his hand that he shouldn't touch my head, that they don't use to touch my head. He now wanted to force me inside his bedroom, but I struggled with him and started shouting because people are around his compound and he didn't want them to know what is happening. He now leave me that. He now gave me 4 500 naira notes, which is 2,000 naira, that I should use it as my transport. I rejected the money, that I didn't need it. He now said if I didn't collect the money, that he won't let go of me. So I now collected the 500 naira notes from him, and he now opened the door for me, and I went out of his house. He now told that Mr. Austin to take me to our house.
Okay. Now, with all the stories you have narrated, what do you want Nigerians to do about this matter? As a teenager, 16 years old, who was harassed by a sitting commissioner for environment in Ogun State. What do you want Nigerians to do about this matter to you? Because I can see how you feel, and I want you in that passion to tell Nigerians what you want.
I want meaningful Nigerians to help me to take up this matter and help me to charge against him, because this has never happened to me in my life. Right now, I'm so shocked, as in it has never happened to me. They have never harassed me in that manner. So I want meaningful Nigerians to help me on this matter. Please.